Cool. Let's talk about some of the verticals that we see these products being used in. And I think the number one vertical we've seen an explosion of PTZ cameras is absolutely house of worship. Why is
Yeah.
Panasonic the best choice for house of worship? Because they're the best cameras.
No, it's true. I think the House of Worship business is a exploding business as well. You know, they have a high standard. They have a situation where their video quality and their experience is going to matter. It's going to determine how many people come back and how many people stay engaged. And when you're going after that millennial, group of people, I think they have a high expectation of video, production quality. And so with the Panasonic brands, I mean, you can get there. And so that makes us a really good option for that. Like, you were saying earlier, a lot of companies will bring, security camera technology up into a PTZ, but we actually bring our super high-end broadcast technology down into a PTZ camera, and it shows, and you can tell. And so, Catholic television, TBN, and then you can go to our site and see a list of all the, big mega churches that are using them. But it's a great, great option for all the way down to tiny churches that just need one or two cameras to big mega churches that need a full-on system. And then the other cool thing is that when you get into a small system with Panasonic, you can always grow and you can always expand.